Inside ChatGPT, there's a section called Custom Instructions. You can fill that out once, and it applies to every conversation. That's where customization comes in. By giving ChatGPT clear instructions, you can make it write scripts that sound like you, fit your audience, and match your video format. So how do you actually do this? It's simple. You need to provide what I call a prompt blueprint. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a director's note before it starts writing. Video transcript ready like human before going to next. Subscribe for more tech giddiness. We check before giving any customization instructions. First we give small instruction, then we see the result. After give the long video transcript for understanding clear. After giving simple customization, we see result. After giving clear long customization instruction. So that's how you customize ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts that don't just sound good, but sound like you. The key takeaway: AI is powerful, but it only works as well as the instructions you give it. Think of yourself as the director, and ChatGPT is your scriptwriter. The more guidance you provide, the better the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll